Hello, and welcome to Prediction 360. First, let's check out what happened to DC versus CSK match. One of the most destructive victories by DC. They didn't bowl well, but the batsmen more than compensated as it looked too easy and too one-sided in the second innings. CSK needs to do a lot of changes. Let's see what they come up with in the next match. Our prediction for the first match was spot on, but the second match was we expected CSK to win, but that's not to be. But we clearly told you that the team batting second will find it quite easy, especially with the new factor coming in, and it did happen. So let's get on with the third match, SRH versus KKR. First segment, Professor V's tip of the day.
Today's Simli Chuma tip is go with the past history. Check out the one-on-one with the franchise in IPL history before you select the players. Past history does play a crucial role psychologically in the team's minds, and we should consider that before we start predicting.
Let's get on with the team news. Jason Roy is still under quarantine for SRH, and they do look like they will think of sitting out Kane Williamson once again as their overseas pick will most probably be Holder, Rashid, Warner and Bairstow. Bhuvi looks great after he came back. That is a great news for SRH. But being with Chennai ground, I think they can think about holding back Holder and giving a chance to Mohammad Nabi. Maybe. KKR looks like a formidable team in firstly. As he feels KKR has a big chance to lift the title this year. This is just my guess with a lot of special fitness regime done by Dre Russ for IPL. We just can't wait to see him in action, and it will be quite interesting to see the team lineup of KKR. Let's go to the next segment, head to head. Of the 19 matches that these two teams have played each other, KKR leads 12-7. KKR has beaten SRH in both the matches in 2020 and in the last 7 matches that they have played each other in the last 3 years. KKR leads with 4 victories. And in neutral venues, KKR leads with 3 victories to SRH's single victory. Average runs scored by KKR against SRH is around 149.7. Average runs by SRH against KKR is around 155.3. David Warner leads the most runs with KKR against KKR for SRH, and for KKR it's Owen Morgan. And wicket wise, Bhuvneshwar Kumar leads with 19 wickets, 19 of KKR wickets, and Sunil Narayan for KKR has taken around 10 SRH scalps to his credit. Let's talk about the ground. M.A. Chidambaram Stadium, we already spoke about in the first match, has hosted more than 50 IPL matches till now, and it does favor the team batting second a bit more. The pitch does favor the spinners, and both the teams have champion spinners in their lineup. And with the weather being quite humid, you can expect pacers to bowl a lot of slow balls. These kind of variations, I think Sandeep Sharma is quite good with. So Sandeep Sharma might be quite useful for SRH. Let's talk about the matchups. Andre Russell versus Rashid Khan. Andre Russell, who the world fears, is just unable to hit Rashid Khan's deliveries. In the 22 balls that he has faced, he has hit 27 runs but has lost his wicket to him 3 times. David Warner versus Shakib Al Hasan. David Warner, though, have hit 30 runs of the 16 balls he has faced off Shakib, he has also lost his wicket twice to him. Let's get on with the next segment, SC's match prediction. It's bound to be a tough competition, but with the data that we have and the recent form, we feel KKR has a much better chance to win the match. But again, toss does have a big say, and the team batting second does have an advantage. Let's get on with SC's best playing 11. This will be our fantasy pick for our fantasy 11. We're going with Dinesh Karthik and Johnny Bairstow. Then we are going with David Warner over Morgan. We are going with Kedar Jadhav, Shubman Gill. And in the all-rounder segment, we are going with Andre Russell. That's about it. For bowlers, we're going with Pat Cummins, Rashid Khan, Varun Chakravarti, and Natarajan. And if Sandeep Sharma is playing, we can pick Sandeep Sharma too. Let's see which team does luck favor in our next segment, Book Cricket One-on-One. Whoa, pretty straightforward win for SRH at the end. Quite interesting. Let's go to the next segment, what the other experts are predicting. Hope you like this video. Do stay tuned to Simply Chuma for more videos on IPL. And if you're ready to bet on any of the websites, please be careful, bet carefully, bet responsibly. Bye.